Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth Beats earbuds. First, make sure your Beats earbuds are fully charged and powered on. Next, put them into pairing mode. This often involves holding down a specific button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Then, open the Bluetooth settings on the device you wish to connect them to. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and quick connection, getting you ready to enjoy your audio in no time. For Apple users, connecting your Beats earbuds is incredibly simple. Just unlock your iPhone or iPad and ensure you are on the home screen. Then, hold your Beats earbuds close to your unlocked iOS device. A pop-up will appear on your screen, guiding you through the one-tap connection process. This seamless integration makes pairing effortless, allowing you to start listening to your favorite audio within seconds. Connecting your Beats earbuds to an Android device is also straightforward. Begin by opening your Android device's settings menu. From there, navigate to Connected Devices and then tap on Pair New Device. Your Beats earbuds should appear in the list of available devices. Simply select them to establish the Bluetooth connection. You'll be enjoying your music or podcasts in just a few moments. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is usually simple. First, ensure both your Beats earbuds and your device have Bluetooth enabled and are within a range of about 10 meters. Sometimes, a quick restart of both your earbuds and the connecting device can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try forgetting the device in your Bluetooth settings and then attempting to repair from scratch. These steps often fix most common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.